So overall, it's a great camera. It's a little cold outside today, but we're going to mount this outside. But as you can see, hello my friends and welcome back. For today's video, we are reviewing Reolink's dual Wi-Fi 4MP security camera. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. So inside you get a prepare, little pamphlet, different stuff inside here. So they give you a decal and bracket guide and a quick start guide. You got the antennas. Plenty of cable length. That's a plus. Ethernet cable if you need it. Alright, they supply you with the brackets, screws, everything needed. So this is the camera. Heavy duty. Put the SD card right in here. If you're putting it on this bracket, all you do is line this up and then you screw in the screw. And now you can adjust this to whatever position you want it at. Make sure you got the screw nice and tight once it's in. And now we're good to go. Mounting bracket. So this is how the bracket's going to go. Alright, now we're ready. It's best to set it up somewhere that's easy to manage before you just set it up wherever you're going to have the camera. So we're going to plug it in. We already downloaded the Reolink app. We're going to get everything set up a while. That way it's good to go and then we can just simply mount it wherever we want it. So we got it plugged in and we're now going to add it to our app. One very important thing, you need to have your camera use the LAN connection connected to your router. Just simply plug it into your router and into here. Have this plugged into the wall so it's got power. Then you'll be able to use the app to add this to your Reolink app. So overall, it's a great camera. It's a little cold outside today, but we're going to mount this outside. But as you can see, camera works great, multi-angle. Overall, this is going to be really nice to protect our garage. So once it's not in the single digits, we're going to install this on our garage. But it's simple to set up. Just follow the instruction book and use the app and you're good to go. A lot of different modes you can do, so make sure you check out your manual.